Thomas, Thomas, you're on the air. Welcome to Thomas News. The news, I'm on Sodor, where I will be reporting it. Our top story, for no reason. We're expected, the Flying Kipper will be making his journey. I'm on Sodor. Late in the night. We have a reporter that looks like a Lego figure. I'm on a scene that I call Jimmy. Jimmy. Yes, people. This freight train. I've been on there. A few minutes ago. They said that they're expected, and that they say that this is a freight train, and that'll let the Flying Kipper pass, which is being pulled by Henry the Green Engine, who has recently got a new coal that makes him run better. Seriously, I've been on there for a few minutes. And let's just say it isn't good. So I also heard that the signal's so bad danger. So I might as well just get see if they're. Cut the camera for a second. Okay, I've got a closer. Okay, the Kipper is expected to crash at any moment, but I don't know when. Although until then, we may have to wait for some further things. But I'm gonna see this for myself. So technically, I'm waiting for the Flying Kipper to pass. It's just been out there, but I think they got just in time. So I'm gonna climb up the brake band. And nothing to see here. Hey, what's that? A black figure. Oh no. Whatever happened to him? I just hope he got out fine. It looks like the camera crashed too. I've just been informed the reporter died on impact. I've also been informed I just been informed by Sir Topham Hatt that Henry will also be getting a new shape. So we're hoping until a memorial for this guy named Jimmy. So is that it? Did we stick this through? Breaking news. It is discovered it's discovered that it turns out that I think there are more brands than we think there are that can fit on the Superstation. Like, seriously, that is a fact that we did not know. That is seriously a fact that we did not know. Because it turns out but this that this YouTube channel that the guy who started this YouTube channel I'm also bought my busy book but there's only one engine that's been found. It looks like him. It looks like this. And it turns out that he could fit on the Superstation. Yeah, I can play only one and that Thomas and that this show is called Thomas the Trackmaster engine and then there's some there's a toy other than, you know, Trackmaster. Okay, the source is called Thomas News. We're actually hoping for this to be a real series. We have and we'll win. He's stuck. Believe me, he's stuck. He's stuck, and he's right there. And he's right there. Wait, we have Edward coming now. The engine just went down now. Okay, I'll be asking the questions here. How does it feel to know that you're the only does he know us? Shouldn't we be a big story? Forget it. Forget he's talking to us. Blah blah blah. Why did I just say blah 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 blah? Anyway, how does it feel to know that your brand my busy book can fit on Superstation track? Unbelievable. Yeah. Okay, Thomas, back to you. Thanks, Edward. And I just been informed that because of this discovery, scientists are seeing what other brands can fit on the Superstation that we didn't notice. I know this news report this news I'm saying has been very short but we got one more story. User known a Big Bang Kamehameha soon to be known as Train Boy 7 has recently said that he's gonna start a few new series. The Crash remake series, and what else is he gonna do? He's gonna try remaking episodes. Is that what he's gonna do? He also said that he's gonna film all stuff on Real Thomas, like movies that he may have to have bought, but they're gonna be on low quality, like they always do. And the camera might move around like this, because he can't hold a camera for that long. And you might see Thomas and Magic ruin the series, and that's about it. This is Thomas news. I'm at 4 o'clock. Good night.